guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video is going to be an Easter themed makeup look, so let's get started. I've already done my base off camera. Now I'm using this LA Girl foundation in the shade white and I'm applying on my lids to serve as the eyeshadow base. For the eyeshadows, I'm going to use this Morphe Certified B palette. I'm going to take the shade Pink. I'm going to apply it outside my crease to make winged liner. So I'm going to do a cut crease look. So it was inspired by Makeup by Noya. I'm going to put her Instagram link on the description box. Next, I'm going to take this violet shade. I'm going to apply it in the middle. I'm going to blend it using a clean brush. Next, I'm going to take this Zulu palette by Juvias Place. I'm taking this teal shade. I'm going to apply it on my inner job or inner corner of my eyes. And I'm going to blend it using a clean brush. To cut the crease, I'm going to use the Snoe Beauty Concealing Me Softly in the shade Beige. And I'm going to set it using this white shade from Primaries paint palette by Snoe Beauty. So we're going to do the soft liner. First, I'm going to use the violet shade and I'm going to apply it outside, and this will serve as our wing. I'm going to apply this pink shade towards the violet shade. And using this clean pencil brush, I'm just blending these two to have that gradient effect. It's time to draw a bunny, so I'm going to use this EB Advanced Brow Define and I'm tracing a bunny on the top of my left brow. Now I'm going to paint the bunny using this Tiger's Face paint from National Bookstore in the color white. Now I'm going to use the green and yellow face paint to make grass on my brows. Also on my left jawline to my chin. So I wasn't happy at the Easter basket that I did a while ago, so I'm recreating it. For the bunny's eyes, I'm going to use this Miniso Precise Waterproof Liner. So for the contour, I use the yellow shade from the Primaries paint palette. For a highlight on my cheekbone, I use the Pop Beauty Powwow Strobin Glow palette. And I'm just adding some details on the Easter eggs. To add some shadows on the grass on my brows, I use the Miniso Waterproof Liner. So for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof. For the lashes, I'm going to use this Moon Dust Lash Line in the style Adele. So for the lips, I'm going to use this Pop Beauty Permanent Pout Influencer Edition in the shade Z. All of the products that I haven't showed or mentioned throughout this video, I will post it on the description box below. This is the finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to click thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!